Okay, now I'm going to catch up and open my January yarn box. So if you're watching my videos, you saw that I'm wearing the same thing, same location, because I just opened my December box. But we're going to open the January box so that we're back on schedule again. And we're going to see what came in here. And we have some beautiful blue yarn. Well, the books are getting longer here. They have a lot more information in them. They talked about where the yarn comes from. Knit pattern. Crochet pattern is to make a little purse. So that looks like that's what I'll be making. I do have some buttons from a previous box that will work great for this. What other stuff do they have in here? Oh, a bunch on the yarn. A little bit on the special gift, which is this, which is Crafting Hands Hand Salve, which if you do a lot of crafting, especially someplace dry like Colorado, your hands get really cracked and gross. So this should help solve that. So that's it for the January yarn box.